Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon. Here select your Honor Band 9 from the list of devices. Now scroll through this page and find the option called Remove Current Device. Once you find it, tap on OK, and the band will disappear from the list of devices. You can also check the Bluetooth settings, but it won't probably be needed, but you can open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. And here, as you can see, we have the list of paired devices. And it might be the case that the Honor Band 9 is right on this list. If it is, you can tap on the info icon next to it or on it. And then you will see this page, and usually it's called forget, but we have also option called unpair, and you basically need to tap either on forget or unpair and then forget it or remove it from this list. And once you do, the device will be completely unpaired from your phone. And that's how you unpair this smartband from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.